Okay, so here I have this equation right here in standard form, and I want to make it into slope-intercept form because I need to figure out what the slope of this actual line is. So in order for me to do that, x has got to be over on the right-hand side of the equation, and y needs to be by itself. So I can't just go and say, oh, okay, 4 is in front of x, so that's my slope, and that's it. You've got to move it around, and then you have to arrange it using that 8. So that 8 is going to come into play as well in a few minutes. So we're going to start off by just kind of doing a line down the side here where the equal sign is. And I want to move the 4x over to the other side. So what do I have to do to get rid of the 4x on this side? I need to do the opposite of that, which is subtract a 4x. And I'm going to do that on both sides. And so that's now gone. I'm going to bring this 8y down. And now I have a negative 4x plus 12 on that side. All right, so I'm not done with this. I'm not saying, okay, my slope is -4 now. That doesn't work the way that you think it does. So I still have to get this 8 out of here. So in order for it to be the slope-intercept form, y has got to be all by itself. So I need to get rid of that 8 times y by doing the opposite operation of multiplication, which is divide. And now when I divide the 8 on both sides, I have to not only do it over here on this x, but I also need to do it over here on the 12, the constant. So now the 8 is gone over on the left-hand side, leaving me y all by itself. And now I can do the division and simplify this. So -4 goes into itself once, and so we're going to end up with a negative. And it goes into 8 twice. And we have x. And then we can simplify this down a little bit further. Again, your choice could be either you can leave it as a fraction. I'm just going to leave it as an improper fraction, so I do know that 4 goes into both of these numbers. It goes into 12 3 times, and it goes into 8 twice. So you could leave that like that, or if you wanted to put 1.5 or 1.5, you could. But this is the way I would rather have it. So if I was trying to do this, I'd be able to say that -1/2 is my slope.